Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Pinterest to your dock on Mac, so you can open it just like a native app. Super fast and super easy. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Now, head to the top left corner of your screen. Click on File in the menu bar, then choose Add to Dock. You'll see a pop-up that lets you rename the shortcut if you want. I'll keep it simple and leave it as Pinterest, then click Add, Done. You should now see the Pinterest icon right in your dock alongside your other apps. Here's what's cool. When you click the icon, Pinterest opens in a dedicated app-like window, completely separate from Safari. You can even quit Safari, and Pinterest stays open like a standalone app. And that's how you add Pinterest to your Mac dock in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.